Did you know that Indian engineering and technology companies are manufacturing some of the most sophisticated and crucial components of the world's leading aerospace companies like Boeing and Airbus? For instance, the Tata Boeing Aerospace, a joint venture between the Boeing company and Tata Advanced Systems, manufactures aerostructures for Boeing's deadly AH-64 Apache attack helicopters, including its fuselage, secondary structures and vertical spar boxes. Or that the European company Airbus Group, which manufactures the Airbus series of planes, sources nearly $1 billion worth of parts from India. In fact, every commercial aircraft or helicopter that Airbus manufactures has parts, design or technology sourced from India. At present, some 300 Indian suppliers are now part of the global aviation supply chain, manufacturing critical systems and components including aerostructures, wire harnesses, composites, avionic mission systems, among others. The success of Indian companies is directly related to the impetus which the Government of India has given to the aviation and defence sector through the Make in India program. So in this episode of Science for a Self-Reliant India, we take you on an exclusive visit to the technology and manufacturing floor of Dynamatic Technologies Limited, a leading Indian company in the global aviation manufacturing space, which works closely with Airbus, Boeing, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Bell Helicopters, just to name a few. Dynamatics is also playing an important role in India's Atmanirbhar mission by manufacturing the fuselage for the Tejas Mach 2, India's super fighter aircraft by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. But in this episode, we look at how the body of the Bell 407 helicopter is manufactured, and then we take a deep dive into Dynamatic's important facility for manufacturing Airbus 330's flap track beams, which control the speed and balance of the aircraft.
We started delivering products to Airbus. We started with the flap track beam assemblies, which basically lift up the aircraft and bring it down. We are the sole supplier today for all the A318, A319, A320, A321 and A330 aircraft, the world's largest selling helicopters, the Bell 407. The entire fuselage is built by us and exported. So it's a really incredible product. There's engineering there. We make over 1,600 parts that go into these major assemblies, and it's a very significant Make in India program for the world.
This and much more on our show Science for a Self-Reliant India, only on India Science.